One easy but effective exercise that will help your body and mind greatly is jumping rope. It's not only a game for kids, but also a great workout that tones bones, improves brain capacity, and burns calories. Let us motivate you. Why should you include jumping rope in your daily exercise program? If you question its advantages, here's why. 1. Burns calories quickly. Among the most efficient calorie-burning exercises is jumping rope. You could burn generally 10 to 16 calories every minute. Even at a moderate speed, in just 10 minutes, you may burn up to 160 calories. This exercise increases metabolism, so accelerating the weight loss process, in addition to helping to lower body fat. An excellent exercise for fat loss is jumping rope at a higher intensity, since it will burn even more calories. 2. Strengthens bones. Though most people rely on calcium for strong bones, jumping rope increases bone density. Studies reveal that just 10 minutes of daily jumping rope greatly strengthens your bones. Older persons and athletes especially benefit from this, since it lowers their bone loss risk. The little impact your body faces when jumping rope causes bone development and strengthens the skeletal system. 3. Improves agility and speed. Have you ever thought about how fast and just some athletes move? Training in jump rope holds the key. 10 minutes of daily jumping rope helps to improve general agility, footwork, and body coordination. For athletes, fitness models, and boxers especially, this exercise helps strengthen feet, ankles, and knees. Jumping rope sharpens the link between your brain and body by requiring you to concentrate on your foot movements, so enhancing reflexes and fast thinking. Through better balance and stability, it also lowers the risk of injuries. 4. Boosts brain function. Not only is jumping rope excellent for your body, but it also greatly improves brain function. Physical activities that demand both mental and physical effort have the biggest effects on memory, according to research. The right and left halves of your brain cooperate when you jump rope, improving your memory, reading comprehension, and mental acuity. Because it enhances focus and creativity, this exercise is especially helpful for professionals and students who require high mental performance. 5. Affordable and can be done anywhere. Jump rope is an easy and easily performed workout, in contrast to most other exercises that call for costly equipment or a gym membership. A jump rope, a level surface, and a suitable space are all you need. You can do it in any open space, such as your home, a park, or the gym. Whether it's a warm-up or a full workout, it's simple to incorporate into your morning or evening routine. Additionally, there are a ton of online tutorials that can help you learn new jump rope skills and add interest to your workouts. 6. Improves heart health. Jump rope is excellent for heart health because it is categorized as a cardio exercise. It improves blood circulation, controls blood pressure, and protects the heart. This exercise is especially good for lowering lipids, high blood pressure, and heart disease risk. Just 10 minutes a day of jumping rope will improve your heart's efficiency and your general health. 7. Engages all major muscle groups. Almost all of your body's major muscle groups are worked by jump rope, including leg muscles, hamstrings, quadriceps, and calves, core muscles, lower back and abs, arms and shoulders, lungs and heart. In addition to burning fat, this exercise tones and strengthens your body, giving you a well-rounded physique. 8. Reduces stress and anxiety. Exercise causes your brain to release endorphins, sometimes referred to as the happiness hormones, which lower stress, anxiety, and depression. Jump rope improves your mood and energy levels by acting as a natural depression medication. If you're feeling physically worn out or stressed out, just 10 minutes of jumping rope can make you feel happier and inspired. In conclusion, jump rope is a simple but incredibly powerful workout that enhances mental, physical, and general health. It has many advantages, can be done anywhere, and doesn't require any expensive tools. Jump rope is a great choice if you want to reduce weight, strengthen your heart, increase mental clarity, or just use a simple yet efficient workout. Do you intend to build this exercise into your regular schedule? Leave a comment with your thoughts.